Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this is Hangar Flying, Episode 9, and believe it or not, we actually have an update on the Project Tiger, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So as part of getting ready for the new panel, we've decided we're going to order a plane power alternator for this airplane, and we're going to go with a plane power voltage regulator, the R1224. So we're going to have a new electrical system in the airplane, and that's a good thing because we need the spares, a used voltage regulator and a used alternator to have on the shelf, as we found out this last event that we had an airplane come in missing a voltage regulator. We had another gentleman who had an alternator that was out, and we didn't have spares on the shelf. So we will fix that problem and kill two birds with one stone. And then the other news we have for you for Hangar Flying is that the last of our new old stock canopy rails were used on an airplane. The rails on this airplane were so badly worn that it wouldn't stay in the on the airplane. So we replaced them with our last ones, and so now it's up to Fletch Air to make some more. And these from a batch they did back in 2009, 2010. Meanwhile, I'm entertaining you with some pictures of the new Kittens so you can look and enjoy those. And finally, when we do annuals on airplanes in the shop at Yankee Aviation, we have some customers who show up with all their filters and all their spare parts, and then we have others that use our oil and our filters. It doesn't really matter. We just have to know ahead of time so we make sure that we can order in all the stuff that you need. So that's a little bit of Hangar Flying for you. It's a real short one. We've been kind of busy with a few other things, but I do have a couple of more things for you, and one of them is at therapy. This last Tuesday, my leg did an uncommanded move. I was in the middle of a transfer from the exoskeleton back into my normal chair, and as part of that move, once I'm back in the chair, my right leg is kind of hung over the exoskeleton. My therapist went to grab my leg to move it, and my leg picked itself up and set it down in my chair just like I would have wanted it to have done, but I didn't command it. So that's hopeful that all this therapy is working out and I may get the use of my legs of some sort back. So we're waiting to see how that happens. And then we have one more object for you that if you've been looking for something unique and hard to find, I think we may have it for you. We have a 1950s version Rolex GMT Master. It's all been refurbished, all original parts, and it's available for sale. So if you know anybody looking for one of the classic Rolex GMTs, let me know. We have one. And ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, as a little treat, about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff, here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.